Okay, guys, one last review before I send this off. Phil had asked me if I had any suggestions or some changes, and I am taking him up on that. So that one change that I have, actually two, is on the fridge side. This wall is just a limitation with the cabinet program. It's vaulted, but it's off-center. So this wall is 107 inches tall, but we can make the fridge cabinet a little bit taller, about 5 inches taller than these cabinets, just to give it a little bit of depth and break it up. And I know we have this at 22 for the inset hood, so that'll be an inset hood that'll slide in underneath this cabinet. The bottom of that cabinet will be cut out. And then when I tightened up my measurements on Friday, this window is a little close with our bar being added to the back. So the top of this bar is 12 inches deep from front to back. So I have put two cabinets on either end that will have doors on them. I don't think we'll put hardware on them, but you'll still be able to open them with a mechanism to support the countertop. But we're going to be close. You can see the front corner of that countertop is going to be close to the edge of the window. And right there is the window opening. So that casework, if we're wrapping that window, will have to be notched around that. But everything else is tightened up, installed to scale, and then underneath here we will have a wood piece, just a piece of substrate that you will not see. Probably put a piece of granite over that just as a backsplash. And then on the back of the peninsula here, this is all a shaker style in here. And this is 42 inches. So just one more pass over, a couple little changes that I noticed on Friday, and a suggestion with this. Let me know what you think. Otherwise, we will get going on it. Thanks, guys.